Good morning, family. Our first project of the day is to take this tree down. Well, the tree's already down. We're going to chop it up and get it ready and seasoned up for winter so that we can use it for firewood. And our goal is to get through the day without any injuries, be as safe as possible. See, my brother is wearing his safety gear, and although he isn't, I don't like the fact that he's doing things over his head. I'm going to be the safety officer and make sure that he doesn't get himself into any trouble. We have communications equipment so that if we need any help, we can quickly reach someone, and we have an emergency evacuation vehicle just in case. You never know. So this is the progress that we made on the tree that we started off with this morning so far. We're getting there. We got a nice little pile of branches and wood to be processed. Not quite done, but we're working on it. It's a beautiful day out here. We couldn't have picked a better day to do this. Nice little breeze. And that's what we're working with. We'll clean this up, let it age, and be ready to use it probably for next winter.
And he's off. Two wheels. Two. We got you, baby.
All right, and this is the after. We didn't get it all done, but it's all down. And we only got 15 to 20 more trees to go on the property. But we put a big dent in this one. Got a nice pile of brush and logs to split and burn for later. We'll cut this up another day. We're getting tired now. Old folks can't go as long as we used to. But we did good. We used all the toys that we had. The quad, the tractor, the trailer, the truck, the chainsaw, all the tools. And made pretty quick or easy work out of that. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button. Make a comment. Share with your friends. We appreciate you.